So I see all these girls with a Hatch alarm clock, and I really wanted one, but I did not want to spend that much on a clock. So I found this one on Amazon and I ordered it. Okay. Oh, okay. This is the one I got. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront. It's pretty similar to the Hatch alarm clock, and it also does the whole light thing. So I'm excited to use it. And I'll update you guys on how it works, because I didn't need anything fancy with apps or anything. I just wanted a normal, regular alarm clock that looked cute. And I think this is it.